So it's been freezing and cold these last couple days. I figured I'd come to you live from inside the crib. I got an update on the glow plates along with some more options in this box. Stay tuned for later in the video, but I'm gonna do a free giveaway on this. So all you have to do is something. It's not gonna be numbers, it's gonna be something else. So watch the full video and leave a like to enter for this. Also, if you haven't realized, I've been wearing this hoodie almost every day. It's been freezing out, but this hoodie is extremely warm. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the most comfortable hoodies you'll ever own. You can see the Mount Fuji WayBeforeTheFame there. This is a must buy if you don't have one already. And then just so you guys know, free shipping on everything in here. I still have some of the HKS keychains, some of these parts trays, some Honda calendars, some of the train handles. I got a couple of those. We got a bunch of stickers, air fresheners, some K-Truck stickers like that. Well, it's not a K-Truck, but you know, K-Truck stickers, along with some magnets and different options. So support the brand, support the business. You guys buying stuff like this continues to allow me to do these crazy projects and crazy builds that I want to do. And I'm actually gonna add this. I don't have any more of these, sadly, they all sold out, but I'm gonna add this on the Cappuccino today, along with some other installs we're gonna do. But let's open this. I've been waiting on this to get here for like 2 weeks. Lighting's a lot better on this side. So let me show you guys everything that I picked up. So I got some extra one of these. These are for the plates that happen to have a hole in them, like this guy. I think just like this, the plate looks ugly, especially if you put it on your car in comparison to this one. But these ones without the registration hole go for a lot more money, and they're way more sought after. So I bought a bunch of them that had holes, but I was like, you know what, if I can just cover it up with this, in my opinion, I think it definitely transformed the look. They even have some that, you know, you could just paint yellow over it if you want to go that route. But this is the one that I already owned. Let me show you guys the ones that I just recently picked up. So this one I thought would be a good idea because it's 1998. And I think there's a lot of people that might watch my videos that might be born in 1998, or they might have a son or daughter that's born in 1998. So this one, pretty cool. Also a glow plate. This one, is this one part of the new one? You know what, whatever. This we could add this one into the current glow plate waffle that I'm doing. So the options are this 1998, this 96, or this 399. These are the first place prizes. I wasn't thinking about doing it, but why not? There's only 8 slots to go anyway. So hopefully after this video, it'll completely fill up and be done. Next we have this 1775. Maybe someone's born on January 7th, 1975. But this one's cool. It has like some nice color to it. I like when they're not new also. Like these, I'm not a big fan of. Like just this like, not the glow plate, but you see how new it looks? It's like it's never been used. It's like, you know, it doesn't have that patina, like colored look that I really like on like plates like this one. You can see scratches, it just looks janky. So I got one of these. What else do we have? I'm not even sure, I got this so long ago that I was almost borderline thinking that I got scammed. But this one is 6852. Like this one's really fresh. Like you could just tell. I didn't have to turn it around. This one is super fresh, but this one is also part of the giveaway. Why not? What else? This is a white one. I didn't even know I got a white one. Okay. This one looks like it has a... Does it have the whole cover or no? Should we include this guy in this current giveaway? I don't know. We could, honestly. Oh yeah, he has a white cover. See what I mean? Like you can't even really realize because it has a white cover. But let's say someone's born on March 5th, 1976. So this one I'm gonna keep to the side. This one is not gonna be part of it. But we'll see. I mean, if you really want it and you're the winner, we can talk about it. But I just got it. I kind of want to enjoy it a little bit. Like there's a couple of them in here that are not gonna be part of it. I'll probably do one later in the future, maybe in a couple months. And like this one might be part of it, along with like this one. You guys know last time I was in Japan, how many times did I say that I cannot wait to find one of these? I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Who the hell's selling commercial plates? Your boy did it. Your boy did it. It's fresh, which I don't love, but look at this. Look at this. I am so happy to even hold this in my hands right now. Wow. We got ourselves a black commercial plate. And this one, you know, let me know in the comments. This one might be your favorite, but there's even more bangers in here. Also got some of these, some brackets for the glow plates. And I think, yeah, this one is the creme de la creme. And that's pretty much it, right? Yeah, I just got that. There's nothing in, oh no, there's something in here. What's in here? Oh, another white glow plate. I told you guys I got it so long ago. I didn't even know. I guess, you know what? All right, we can include one of them. I didn't know I had two. So this one's included also, along with these guys over here for the glow plates. I mean, I'm just making this even better. If you haven't entered already, it's 20 bucks. You get to win one of these. This is first place. The ones that are not glow plates are second. And then third is the motorcycle plate that's over there. You guys have seen it if you entered already. But yeah, all these I guess will be part of it. So you can win a white glow plate, yellow glow plate. It'll also come with a backlight right there. And then let me show you the most actually, this wasn't the most expensive, but it is pretty expensive for it not being a glow plate. And I've never owned one of these, so this one might have to go to my personal collection. I think these two might have to go to my personal collection because, I don't know, we'll see. Everything's for sale, I guess. But check this bad boy out. The only thing I wish is if it was number 13. That's my lucky number. But it's 17, which is pretty close. Look at this. You ready? Ta-da! Mount Fuji. Or just a mountain. I think it's Mount Fuji. But look at this. Wow. This is cool. Like this, you put on your car. Throw one of these bad boys in there. Or throw one of the floor ones. There's many options too. You get a different one than just that. Wow, this one actually looks perfect with the flowers. Wow. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to sell this one. This one is very cool. Where's the hoodie at? Maybe I'll do a waffle where like the winner wins one of each. Wow. All right, so this is my new pickups. Now let's head to pick up the piece. Let's see how it turned out. She charged me 120 bucks. I don't think that was bad. I just thought it would be a little less. I feel like I could have sanded and painted it myself for like half that. But like I've been saying, I'm trying to build a relationship with these guys. So I said, whatever, I'll pay it. So let's go pick it up. Here it is. Get it in the sun. I'll see if I have a before picture, but it was pretty bad before. So let's get this on the cap. Should make it look a lot better. So when I took this one off, I wasn't too careful on locating or really finding out exactly where the screws fell. I just know there's somewhere there. So what I'm gonna do now is remove this piece and see if I have to do that on the red car for me to be able to install it with no issues. All right, I was able to find 2 screws just in case. I got my screwdriver here. Let's walk over to the red cap. Let's replace that piece out with the old. Soon to be in with the new. Hopefully it's not too hard to put back on. I think that's my only worry. But hopefully I can do it. It's freezing out, but I got faith. This is already a bad sign. There's one missing there. That doesn't even look like a flat. Same thing right there, which is pretty unfortunate. That just looks like a button almost. It doesn't even look like it's gonna spin at all. Also missing that guy. So I'm gonna see if I can find some replacements that can fit there. I'm gonna go to the blue clap and see if I could experiment before I start removing those. But it's not looking very promising as of right now. So it looks like the easiest way to do it is to remove the center console, which I've done 1,000 times already. And that piece there, this again doesn't even look like it's connected to anything. If I just pull it, you can see it's nothing. It's not connected to anything. I think the only thing is this, which also doesn't look like it's really connected to anything. After some help, this is completely off. Looks like it was held together with trim pieces, which might be the right way to do it. I'm not sure. But I believe, I don't know, the blue one was a lot more difficult to come off than this, but let's see. Yeah, like it doesn't want to come off. It could just be double-sided tape. I think this is also garbage, so I might not be too scared to remove it. But yeah, the other one just really popped off. Like after I removed those screws, it came off like 1, 2, 3. And this one, for some reason, does not want to do it that easily. It really was just a bunch of double-sided tape. Mine did not have this much tape. Mine had almost no tape on it, honestly. And it was just held together by the screws. So I guess this one is just completely opposite. I have some double-sided tape, not too much. Oh, I see why. It's because this bracket, I believe, is broken. I believe I have the other one, so let me go look for it. But I think it's not supposed to be like that. Yeah, so it looks like the tail light itself is broken. This is my old one. You see that and that. This one is broken on here. I'm gonna see if I could still use it with that. If not, I could just splice it in. I was thinking about doing that, but this one is tinted black and I don't love that. I like that this one is red and kind of pops. So let me see if I can install this real quick. Hopefully it's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna use screws here. I'm not gonna use whatever was there, and see if I could just get them all connected to this. And hopefully next clip, it looks a little something like this. So I think I'm just gonna end this video here. Not the way I wanted to do it, but I think I have to mod this. And it's also too cold and my double-sided tape is not working. And I'm just getting frustrated. But basically, I think I have to mod the one that was already, well, the one that's on rusty, because this one has like this rubber piece here. Like you see this thick piece that's red and black, and then it doesn't have it over the brake light. And it's not going in flush. I'm not sure exactly why. It also has like some cracks there. And I don't know. So I think I'm gonna probably drive to my cousin's house maybe later today. Maybe I can fit it in this video. If not, I'm gonna go to the dude Ryan. And I know he's used to like little things like this that he does when he details cars. But yeah, let me try to put a lot of this back together. I'm actually genuinely annoyed right now that I can't do this right now. Like, it's pissing me off. But I gotta pick up my nephew in a couple minutes, so I don't have enough time. But all right, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Hopefully next video I'll have that on. I'll install the radio. And that's pretty much it. Or maybe I just have to use this. If I have to use this, I really don't mind. I could just splice it in, and maybe this works after all. That actually might be what ended up happening. I just rather have the red. Like, the red looks cool there. Not a big fan of the black. It doesn't look bad, actually. Now, for this bad boy, all you need to do is comment one of your New Year's resolutions. I'm gonna add all the comments up, spin the wheel, and you will win this for free. You can live anywhere in the world. I will ship it to you. No problem. Thank you guys for watching. Road to 100K. Like this video, subscribe. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.